Asihlawula umntwana sihlawula umuzi. Lotshani nasike video yami yesibili ngifuna ukuyisonga indaba yehlawulo ngihlalise kuhle izinto ngithemba ukuthi nonke nizokuphenduleka kule video bese sikhonragela phambili nokhunya. Umbuzo okhulukhulu ovela ke ebantwini ukuthi nangabe umntwana ngifuna ukuthi athathe isibongo sami mina njengesokana limbelethako ngikose ngenzeni nofana ngithi ngimapi amasiko pilo akumele siwenze lokho umntwana nakufanele athathe isibongo sala adabuka khona. That is the main question. But unlike every time whereby nangiphendula ama question I just say yes or no, this time ngizokunaba and ngicabanga ukuthi I'm thinking ukuthi nizokuphenduleka while nginaba. Asibile entweni yengaba ngaphasi kwesintu sinengaba. Ingaba ma stages of life umuntu esimfaka kiwo esim-introduce kiwo spiritually. Kuba nesigaba sokuthi na ukhulawo lapha ngesintu sesindebele na usikazi uyakhamba uyokuthomba uphethe isikopilo lequde whereby you now become a young woman, right? Bese ke nangabe uduna uyakhamba uyokwela ke isikopilo lokwela ingoma you become a young man. So ngesintu umntwana akabi nomntwana. Ngubani umntwana? Umntwana mumuntu ohlala ekhabo nanoma angaba na 40 years nanoma kungaba nabantu abayi7 abambiza mama but umuntu lona ngaba zanke enda nofana zanke athatha ekhabo umntwana. So umntwana akabi nomntwana ngaphasi kwesintu. That's why nangabe umntazana ubelethile umntwana lo mbelethileko uba yisibling yakho. I'm not going to repeat everything that I've already said to the previous video. So if you want to refer, go back to the first video. Yeah. So if it happens ukuthi nje umntwana ubelethiwe but ke isibongo sakhe obvious angeke asithathe ngoba nobelethelwe ekhabo omkhulu. Now we have to ask ourselves ukuthi why are we trying to have children nabantu esingafisi ukubathatha nabantu esingafisi ukuhlala nabo? Why are we having kids nabantu abanjalo? Because isintu ngendlela sistructure ngakhona bey avoid into le yama stepfather stepmother umntwana uphila la anganaba bakhe khona. Bey avoid into enjalo because isintu understood ukuthi ngaphasi umntwana nakakhula kufanele ukuthi akhule duze noma nobaba ingasi okhunye. Kungakho kunezinto ezikatelela ukuthi sizenze ngaphasi kwesintu lokhu umntwana sele abelethiwe njengokuthi umntwana kube ngumasala ekhaya angakhambi nomakhe emendweni because of indaba ye family structure. Now into engifuna ukuza kiyo ukuthi kuba yini umntwana athwenya nangabe idlozi liyazi ukuthi umntwana lo wabelethelwa la ekhabo akhange balandele isintu. Manje why umntwana lo asithwenya? Why umntwana lo ahlupha edlozini? It's because of uyakhumbula nangintshela ngendaba yama sacrifices and compromises that idlozi has to do. The reason why you have to apologize because wena so compromise ubungoma bomuntu. Ngikho lokho esikhuluma ngakho. Umntwana nakabelethwako kunama chances wokuthi umntwana loyo uvela nje unesiphiwo. Umntwana lo mhlawumbe une spiritual calling or a spiritual gift or uyi-solution la adabuka khona. Ubelethwa nje ngombana la kudabuka khona kunepi elwako. So they had ukuthi idlozi lakhe likhambe liyokubawa ini ngithini liyos extenda komunye umuzi. So if it happens ukuthi umntwana uba nento enjalo uba yi problem la ahlala khona because right now akhonakala ukuthi umsiza angasuka kwakhe afike kwamabhena azokuphethela umntwana izinto zakwamsiza. Umthetho nomthetho noma ngithi indoda nendoda ibhodla esibayeni sayo. Awukwazi ukuthi ungakhambi emzini uyokubhodla bese ufuna ukuphethela umntwana izinto zakho wena. You understand? So if it happens ukuthi umntwana loyo like I said with a spiritual calling or a spiritual gift kuzoba yikinga vele uzokhamba athwenya. That is why ukubelethela usekhenu it's like angifuna ukuthi it's forbidden but akusindo kufanele ukuthi yenzeke ngaphasi kobungoma noma ngithi ngaphasi kwe-African culture. So I've written something say ukuthi ngingakhohlwa ne ningangilokanje. So umntwana nakwenzeka ukuthi uthwenya sibongo kusuke kwenzakaleni umntwana uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ubelethele la ekhaya and then bese akhambe aye la dabuka khona bathi bayomphahlela bamenzela izinto khaba bakhe but bayazi ukuthi abakakhiphi izondlo akukalotsholwana kayenziwa litho. So umntwana onjalo nakakhambako aye ekhabo babakhe ayokuphahlelwa yenzela izinto kufana ukuthi bamebile. I've said this in my previous video. So umntwana o-introducewa edlozini ngokungasingemthethweni umntwana loyo uyagadangeleka. That child is going to suffer because uthwala isithunzi sedlozi but illegally under African culture. So now the fact ukuthi wena unokuye ekheni ulale khona ukhothwe lidlozi lalapho ngelinye ilanga federe bayaphahla nawe ugucile lapho ngelinye ilanga kunomnyanya nawe ukhona lapho igazi liyaphaleka ukhona lapho your presence is there. Into leyo ngiyenza ukuthi umntwana agcine kuthiwa batsho umntwana uyagula ufuna idlozi lakhe. The reason why umuntu abangwa bezimo bekhabo nebekhabo omkhulu it's because izinto ezifana lezo ukuthi umntwana usuke atshontshiwe usube etshiwe from la ahlala khona. Awukwazi ukuthi uthathe umntwana uyomphathlela nofana uyomenzela. Actually umntwana akavakathi nokuvakatha la dabuka khona because ekhaba abakamenzeli into yokufuna ukuthi bayenze. So amasikopilo enza ukuthi umntwana athole isibongo sala adabuka khona masikopilo angaphasi kwe-traditional wedding, which is what we call idwende nobukhazi. Amasikopilo lawo enzeka ngaphasi kwengoma yokwenda ngiwo amasikopilo lawo enza ukuthi umntwana athole isibongo sala adabuka khona. So I know ukuthi guys, they're going to lie to you izangoma and stuff saying mina ngingakwenzela mina intolo singamhlabela imbuzi ukuthi athathe isibongo sakhe. Into enjalo ayenzeki. Akhonakala ukuthi umntwana ungamthatha uyomhlabela imbuzi uthi hayi nakuso sekwenzekile siyangwa kamabhena. Ayikho into enjalo. There's no such thing. That's why we have these laws. That's why we have in African culture. So failing to follow African culture, there are consequences because nakuseke kwenzeka ukuthi uwenze umphambo edlozini elithize not only ukuthi unoronge idlozi lelo but you are wronging an entire clan, an entire nation iba sebungozini because of you fail to follow imithetho nemithethwana engaphasi kwesintu. So amasikopilo lawo akhonakala ukuthi ungawaphetha waphethele enrabeni nofana ngendumbeni. Amasikopilo lawo aphetha ngaphakathi kwesimanje. Masikopilo atholakala ngaphakathi kedwende nobukhazi. I know people are going to say umntwana uyamlobola. Umntwana uyamlobola. Umntwana umlobola ngaliphi ubukhazi bakhe kuba ngubuphi nangabe uthona uyamlobola. We've talked about indaba yelobola ukuthi indaba yelobola izanjani. Now remember ukuthi ngaphasi kwesintu sesindebele sinento bathi zinkomo zedini. It's specific lilimi litsho njalo sinenkomo zedini esiziphekelelayo lokha nasilobola umntazana. Inkomo zedini zikhuluma ngani? Zikhuluma ngembeleko yomntazana. Now asingene ku language masinya nasikhuluma ngesibeletho sikhuluma ngevagina. Isibeletho yivagina. Imbeleko yiwomba. Idini vane sikhuluma ngani ngembeleko but siyayihlonipha. Kunelimi bathi limi lokuhlonipha. Into na uyikhulumako awuyibizi ngegama lakho kodwa uyayihlonipha ngombana na uyibiza injalo kuba ngathi yihlamba. So nabathi inkomo zedini vane bakhuluma ngenkomo zembeleko. So inkomo zembeleko zingakhitshwa kuhlatshwa ubukhazi. That's why in the Ndebele culture kunenkomo ezihlatshiwako zi-exchangewe. Ama tradition lawa yenzakala ngaphasi kodwende nobukhazi ngiwo enza ukuthi umntwana athole isibongo sala adabuka khona. Ama traditional ritual lawo ngiwayenza ukuthi umuntu abe mfazi wemzini, umuntu abe ngubaba, umuntu aqualify ukuthi abelethe. That traditional wedding ikupha into yokuthi uqualify ukuthi ube ngubaba womuzi nofana ube ngumma womuzi begodu ubelethe abantwana nababeletha babe negama labo. So those are the rituals eswathola ngaphasi kwesintu. And I know someone is going to say hayi kuya ngemizi umntwana bangamlobola. Guys, isintu sisodwa, isintu yinto eyi-one. Asihluki isintu and ayikho into endaba ukuthi basho kuya ngomuzi. You will find ukuthi ekhaya kuvele umlando nofana kuvele ubuthakathi sibize inyanga inayibethelako yenze lokho kwenzako ivale lento leyo yenzekileko mhlambe ibethele ngesango bese inipha umthetho nithi emzini lo kungaphindwe kubhenywe isango ozoyibhema ngiyithiya ukuthi intwele ukuthi lento engiyenzako ubuloyi lobe ngibenzako ozoyibhema ngiyithiya ukuthi ahlanye. That is why uzothola kweminye imizi kuthiwa isango ayibhenywa wayibhema uyahlanya and vele uyibhema uhlanye akusisi sindu leso. It's because way back kwaba nomlando ovelako emzini loyo kwakosa ukuthi kungena umelaphi wendabuko aloye athiye nakathiye kwasebenzisa indwele ethizo kwaphuma umthetho loyo. But when we come to indwe ezifana nokubeletha we are specific guys. Angekhe yahluka kwamahlangu kwamapeni na ulindebele isintu sakhona siyafana akunakuthi basho ya umntwana uyakhona umlobola ayedwa or nofana umntwana awukhona umlobola ayedwa. Like I said ukuthi angifuni ukuphendula ngo iye nofana awa, but into ebengifuna ukuyiphakamisa kakhulu zinkomo zedini of which inkomo zedini angeke zeza ekhenu ngelesithathu nihleli nisela cold drink zifike zithi bu kube zinkomo. Something must happen. So the rituals nofana ngithi mina ubuloyi obenza ukuthi umntwana athole isibongo sala adabwa khona ukuthi umamakhe abe ngumamakhe culturally are the rituals atholakala ngaphasi kwe traditional wedding of which traditional wedding akusili lobolo lidwende nobukhazo kisirwalo umembeso nani. We've talked about this already. So yinto efana naleyo kena yeah, I just want to wrap this up. I hope ukuthi nginiphendulile. We really need to go back guys sizibuza ukuthi why senza abantwana nabantu esingafuni ukubathatha. Because right now wena uthi ufuna umntwana wakho mara uthi mama ka umfuni mara ngifuna umfuna njani umntwana mara imbeleko la adabwa khona awuyifuni. We need to ask ourselves into leyo enjalo. That's what we are trying to avoid nasakha isintu izinto ezifana lezo. But breaking these laws now we are living with consequences zokuthi umuntu athi angifuna ummakhe nedi ngifuna umntwana nami. Okay, now ufuna umntwana kummakhe lo ayephi athathwe ngubani? Umfazi lo ayephi ngoba sowumbelethisi athathwe ngubani? Ubelethisa umfazi abantwana abayi3 then you say hayi mina ngifuna umfazi lo ngifuna abantwana abayi3 and then ngiyokuthatha umfazi ami omunye umntazana omunye olivirgin. What is that? What is this? Isense kuphi lapho? And the reason why isithembu was not a cultural thing. Isithembu akusi culture but it's a solution. Like it's something esiyenze ngoba besivala okuthize. Into leyo ikhona it's because into ezifana lezo ukuthi umuntu yena sekaqabanga ukuthi akamfuni umntazana othize ufuna othize but umbelethisiselana umfazi ongafuni ukumlobola ulalelani nomntazana ongayiboni feature naye. You can't say I'm just having fun naye bekazi ukuthi siyadlala mina naye. Kunepilo yomuntu la ipilo leyo yomuntu umntwana lo angahlukumezeko just because onomthethe wayomhlalisa la ngana mmakhe khona. Umntwana kuza khule kuhle ufuna ummakhe nobabakhe hayo khunye. That's how i family structure ingakhona ngaphasi